Come here, open Easter. Come here, open Easter. Oh, look. You want to get that? Here. You want to, oh, catnip. You want to get your toys out? Look. Here. There you go. Get your toys. Get it. Here. Oops. Look. Get it. Easter. Get your Easter. Put that up there. Don't need you to get a hold of that. Oh. You like your Easter? You got Easter gifts? And you got another mousey. It looks like a leopard, huh? It's got leopard skin. In your Easter basket. Yep. It's been soaking in catnip all night. I know that one they smell real good in catnip. Yep. That's his Easter. He's got Easter too. He's got Easter presents too. Yep. Oh, he likes that. You like that?